Hey everyone, this is Ty and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing the new Klock Werks windshield on my lowrider ST. Now there are a lot of windshield install tutorial videos. You guys don't need that from me. You really don't. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox the product, and then after we unbox the product, we're going to take it out to the garage. We're going to install it on there, hopefully go for a ride, and let me give you guys my first impressions and some feedback on this windshield. So stick around. Well, just as I thought, the installation of the windshield was pretty much a snap, no problems at all. Klock Werks does include very detailed color instructions. If you run into any snags along the way, this was very helpful at a couple different points. But like I said, all in all, I think the installation was easy. The windshield looks fantastic. What I'm wondering is, as well as the fairing works on the lowrider ST, is this windshield going to make any improvement whatsoever, or is it just for looks? So let's go out on the motorcycle and let me give you guys my first impressions. All right, now that we're out and about on the lowrider ST, we're going to have some further conversations about this Klock Werks windshield. So let's talk about ordering, let's talk about installation, and then a quick little review on the product. So if you've ever ordered anything from Klock Werks, you know their website is very easy to navigate through. Whoa, watch out here. Hope you got a nice Christmas present, lady. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, the website, Klock Werks website. So if you've ever ordered anything from there, their website is very easy to navigate through, to find what you're looking for, that type of thing. The ordering process, once I place the order and they received the product in-house, which this one was back ordered for a little while. Sorry, my visor keeps fogging up. It's cold. But yeah, once they received the stock of the windshields, I got it really quick. I mean, really quick. They sent me a notification, said the product was in, and probably within, I don't know, a week or so, it was on my front porch. So just a very good customer service as far as I'm concerned by Klock Werks. Always have. I've ordered several of their products in the past. Always good. As far as installation goes, again, I know I mentioned it, but the instructions that come with the windshield are fantastic. Their color, they're documented well. If you have any questions, I mean, I didn't have any questions at all on it. I thought it was very self-explanatory. And then last up, let's talk about the review. How does the product function? Now, this is one of the things that I was concerned about was with the lowrider ST fairing, with all the time, energy, and effort that Harley put into this, and as well as the fairing works. If you go back and watch any of my other lowrider ST videos, I'm always praising this fairing because it does its job so well. Right, here we go. Yeah, the fairing does its job so well, keeping the air off of you and coming up over your head and that type of thing. I just didn't see how this windshield would make that big of a difference. And now that I've been out riding for a little bit, I gotta tell you, I don't really notice much of a difference at all. It looks cool, but I don't really, I never on this motorcycle really received a lot of buffeting anyway. My head never really bounces around that much anyway. I'm 5'9", and this motorcycle is a good fit for me, an excellent fit for me actually. And so no complaints at all, but I can't really say that I see an added benefit of this windshield, but it does look cool. So I'm gonna stay with it. I am definitely gonna stay with it. So I tell you what, in the comments below, if you have this windshield or another third-party brand that you want to give a shout out to, put that in the comments below and let me know what you think of the product. Also, if you would, please give a thumbs up to show your support for the channel, and consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber. That would just be awesome. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.